Guys, we got a really interesting thing for Beyond Meat for tomorrow. Call options and for tomorrow. And right now, Beyond Meat is over the $1. So if we held over the $1 at least until tomorrow, maybe we might have interesting jump and pump for Beyond Meat. But before we go further, guys, to discuss Beyond Meat, the plan for tomorrow, remember our content here for education purposes only. So, guys, as we discuss Beyond Meat, there's a nice jump today at the market open for Beyond Meat around this white line. As you can see here, we have the same white line that we discussed before that give us a sign for a breakout and squeeze. It happened here on the 26th of November. If you don't know, guys, we always did the mini update for Beyond Meat and many other stocks here on our Discord. The link comment section below, guys, for a precise entry and exit for many stocks. So Beyond Meat, it was a really good entry after we have this breakout around or below the $1, around the 95. Now we have another scenario, first sign for a breakout around this white line, but unfortunately, we have a major seller here around the $1.41. So this is the major seller that we have to break. We went until the $1.37 and the price pulled back down a little bit. We talk about the call options for Beyond Meat and in tomorrow for many traders. So this will be really interesting to watch, because if we held the $1.16 by tomorrow, would be interesting to see those call options will be executed, and this is might give us the breakout and jumping over the 141, and the short seller will have to cover here, and this will make us a nice jump toward the 160 and the 170 and almost the $2 this time. If we jump, guys, this will be really great because we expect at least 50%. For now, we put him back, as we said, because the main seller is still around the 141 and still holding the price. However, as you can see here, the market is following a same trend, because most of the stock today is kind of neutral or going down a little bit at the market open. That's why we have the same action happened for Beyond Meat. We have a nice jump for the market at the market open, then we have a bit of pullback. It's kind of a short seller shorting the market at the same or one button that make all the stocks go down at the same minute and same seconds. However, as we said, guys, we need to hold the 116, and in the big picture, we should hold over the 94. So for today and this month, if we want to continue the squeeze, the best case scenario is holding the 116, breaking the 140, and go around the $2, and hopefully around the $3 before the end of this year.